So as organizations adopt blockchain, and I'm talking about blockchain for business, there are three challenges that come to mind. Number one challenge is about data security. Is the information that you transact in the blockchain secure? Can you ensure the integrity and security of that information, PII as an example, personally identifiable information? The second challenge is about governance models. How do you ensure in a multi-party, multi-legal system that you are who you say you are, you have the right kind of access to do the transaction, and you can only see information that you legitimately are allowed to see in a business context. And the third challenge is around throughput and latency. This is, or in other words, performance and scalability. So can you transact in a public blockchain environment, it is 50 or 100 transactions per second, can you go from that to thousands of transactions per second? Can you scale it such that hundreds and thousands of people can transact at the same time without bringing the systems down or consuming too many resources? So these are some of the challenges that enterprises encounter when they think about blockchain for business. So CA is in the business of helping organizations go down the journey of digital transformation. As our economy becomes digitized, more and more organizations believe that digital transformation will lead to competitive advantage. In that context, digital trust is key. So one of the things that we do is enabling organizations to stand up blockchain networks, either themselves or working with our partners like IBM, Microsoft, and others, and do so in such a way that it is enterprise ready. What do we mean by enterprise ready? Is the information on the blockchain secure enough, and can you guarantee security? Can you audit those security parameters? Can you scale? Can you transact at large scale processing systems that you know of today, like the mainframe systems, like some of the distributed systems in Amazon and so on? And thirdly, can you ensure that non-deterministic behavior, what we call rogue contracts, can be detected and prevented? These are the areas that CA is investing, bringing to bear its solutions around dev, sec, ops, and operational excellence to help our enterprise customers.